I study criminal justice and is one of the most important branches in Puerto Rico and worldwide. In bachelor's degree, we are taught from criminal laws, civil laws, evidence, and ethics. Also combine sociology, psychology, humanities, and social with the basic like math, English, and Spanish. All these classes are to make the student an intellectual. Some of careers which begin this bachelor degree are lawyer, judge, politician, and police. It's super interesting to learn about laws and defenses being conducted to achieve laws and justice. The laws reflect the values and morals of a particular country. The criminal justice is like a tree. The trunk is the bachelor's degree, the branches are the specialization, and the fruit is the profession. I would like to work in a private office because I will be my own boss without stress and given the best of the services.